Hi guys, so today I am on my way to Zambia.
We are expecting generally good weather and not, however, we may experience some night turbulence after departure. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times.
Join me as I travel from Tokyo, Japan to Lusaka, Zambia via Doha on Qatar Airways. So my ride has arrived. I am at the airport right now. This is Narita Airport and I'll be flying to Doha and then to Lusaka, capital city. So today I'm going to just show you Lusaka, I guess, some Zambia, because I've shown you a lot of content about Japan. But today I want to show you a bit of Zambia, where I come from. Now, why am I going to Zambia, to Lusaka? Well, I am going to provide a lecture on bridge inspection using drones. If you didn't catch that episode where I was talking about drones, please watch it. The link is up there. So I happen to be one of the experts, I would say, in Zambia about bridge inspection and using drones. So I give a lecture on that. So one thing I'm looking forward to, obviously, is the change in the weather, because here it's been cold, like Japan has been cold. I think it's like still winter. Well, winter is ending. But I know back home in Lusaka, the sun is out, it's just rainy, and the weather is just perfect. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm also looking forward to seeing my friends, of course. So I'm excited, and I hope you enjoy this episode.
We are expecting generally good weather and not, however, we may experience some night turbulence.
I'm flying with Qatar Airways today, and the flight from Tokyo to Doha takes 12 hours and 45 minutes. I always prepare for long flights by pre-downloading reports to read, and movies I never seem to have time to watch.
You can't help people if you can't breathe.
I also make sure not to miss any meals on the plane. Value for money is very important, guys. This is me pretending I didn't notice it's mealtime. In between reading, eating, and binge watching, I eventually touched down in Doha. So I've now landed in Doha at Hamad International Airport. This airport always amazes me. I did a video about it, but since we've got like about an hour or two, we might as well explore, just see the airport, and then we get on our next flight to Lusaka. Guys, the first thing you need to do at any airport is find the board where the flights are, so that you know where you're departing from next. This airport was opened in 2014, replacing the old Doha International Airport. It's designed to handle 50+ million passengers annually. It's well known for its luxury shopping, high-end lounges, and art installations. You're probably wondering, what is this big teddy bear, right? It's a famous artwork, and it's particular to this airport. Last time I was here, I gave you an entire tour. There's an entire video. Please watch it. Right now we need to find the information first. There we go. There's the board. I can't find my flight on the screen. So the next best thing is just tour the place. I've got time after all, right? And I need to use the bathroom. My favorite place to go is the Orchard, which is a green park in the airport. Now guys, this video is not about Doha or Hamad International Airport, it's about Lusaka. So let's go to Lusaka. Now I'm in the plane and it's time to go to Lusaka. So let me show you what's outside. The flight from Doha to Lusaka only takes 7 hours and 10 minutes. I don't know if it's just me, but I really feel good when I'm about to land in Lusaka. This is the place I call home. Welcome to Kenneth Kaunda International Airport, the gateway to Zambia. So I finally landed in Lusaka, Zambia. First thing on my mind, guys, is getting a haircut. I've missed my barber. Guys understand what I'm talking about. Like, I've been in Japan for a while and I just can't find that correct barber, the one who can do the right thing. But anyway, so the weather here is nice. It's a bit rainy. There's no snow. Yay! So I'm excited about that. So let's see what we have to offer. Oh, I'm in the airport, by the way. This is our main airport. It's named after our first president, Kenneth Kaunda. So let me show you. It's not like is it Hamad in Doha, but it's cool. I love it. I'm just so excited to be home now. Eish, I miss home. So let's go. The immigration process is straightforward if you have all your documents ready. The staff are also welcoming in true Zambian fashion. If you're traveling to Zambia soon, expect a hassle-free arrival. So you might have noticed as we were landing, one thing that Zambia has in abundance is land. When I compare it to Japan, it's like twice the size of Japan. So Zambia is a very big country and it's bigger than a lot of countries in Europe. I know that for sure. But anyway, you can see the level of development in terms of infrastructure. It's not at that big level, but it's there. Okay, like everything works in Zambia, but it's just not developed to that top level. So anyway, let's get our baggage and leave this place. And by the way, if you are flying to Zambia, there are two airports. There's a Kenneth Kaunda International Airport where you get like international departures and landings, right? But if you want to fly domestic, like say if you're going to Victoria Falls, you have to go to the old terminal. That's where you fly from. So sometimes people are not aware of this. So to get into Zambia, you come to Kenneth Kaunda International Airport. But to fly anywhere, to Mfuwe, to anywhere, you have to go to the other airport, which is right next to this one. So you wouldn't get lost. It's a bit of a wait for the baggage, but it's okay. I just hope my bags are like okay from the flight. I bought a new suitcase and I'd hate for it to get damaged on its first trip. It's very sad, very, very sad. This airport was originally known as the Lusaka International Airport and was officially opened in 1967. But this modern terminal was opened in 2021, improving passenger capacity and services. This terminal is designed to handle about 4 million passengers annually. So this is Kenneth Kaunda Airport, guys, named after our founding father, Dr. Kenneth Kaunda. May his soul rest in peace. So there are many options to get away to leave the airport. You won't find a bus per se unless you booked it or it's from a hotel, okay, like a shuttle bus. But the taxi drivers out here, they even offer to like give you a ride, but better get a pickup. If you're ever in Zambia and you need a pickup from the airport, let me know. I could have someone pick you up and take you to your destination. So hit me up. So if you're arriving in Kenneth Kaunda International Airport and need a ride, I've got you covered. Click the link in the description to contact me. Whether you're a traveler, business visitor, or student coming to Zambia, just reach out even if you just need some travel tips. So my ride has arrived and I am going now. Yeah, just got a haircut. As you can see, it's like I went through surgery or something. I told you I needed a haircut. Until the next episode, bye-bye.